Hello! Today I would like to show you our HSEify tool. Remember our episode about the HSE Windows Application Template? If not, please have a look. So, to work nicely within our template, a DQMH module needs to implement the HSE DQMH flavor. The good news is you don't have to implement those changes manually. Let's have a look. So, what I'm doing here is I'm creating a new DQMH module. It has the name new module, and to add it to our application, it needs an own .ini configuration files. So I'm just copying an existing one and adding a descriptor here, my new module. Also, we want to include in our navigation pane. So I'm just copying an existing section and adjusting it for our new module. The HSE scripting is ready. Okay, so now I'm going to the tools menu again and we'll run the HSEify tool. Then I'm going to select our new module, and in the background it will create all the needed changes. Since we want our application to also start our new module, I'm going to the application configuration file. Here I'm adding our new module to the startup list. Okay, now we need to wait until the HSEifying scripting is ready. All right, there it is. Let's open our new module and implement some obvious changes. Okay, let's run our application. And then you can see that our new module has been added to the application, and it was also added to the runtime menu. All right, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye.